Subject Science, Class 7th, Chapter 4, Heat and Temperature. Very good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the heat and temperature. We have to understand what is the difference between heat and temperature. Heat means when something is burning, we feel heat. Or if we have fever, that time we feel temperature. Means if we have fever, our body temperature will be increased. So that is called temperature. That time we feel warm, that time we feel heat, that is temperature. So we have to understand the difference between heat and temperature. So let us start today's chapter. Heat. Heat is the form of energy it transferred by the difference in temperature. When we rub our hand during winter, the hands become hot. Here the mechanical action of rubbing generates the heat. Units of temperature. The most common unit of measuring temperature is degree Celsius, written as degree C. Another unit that is sometimes used for measuring the temperature is degree Fahrenheit, that is written degree F. On Fahrenheit scale, the melting point of ice is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Measuring temperature. A thermometer is a device or scale used for measuring temperature. It is made of glass. Its bulb is filled with mercury. Mercury is a metal which is in liquid form. It is silver in color. Thermometers are two types. First one is clinical thermometer and second one is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Here you can see the picture of clinical thermometer, or children, maybe you have seen somewhere this thermometer. This is used by the doctor. The thermometer we use for measuring our body temperature is known as a clinical thermometer. Next is laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is like a clinical thermometer but has no constriction near a bulb. Precautions to be taken while reading the thermometer. Here are some precautions we have to take when we are reading the thermometer. Thermometer should be kept vertical while reading. Bulb of thermometer should be dipped completely in the liquid. Bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Do not dip the stem of the thermometer in the liquid. Read the thermometer while it is dipped in the liquid. Transfer of heat. Heat flows from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. This is called heat transfer. There are three modes of heat transfer. First one is conduction, second is convection, and third one is radiation. Conduction. This is the process when heat will transfer from one object to another object. The process through which heat flows from the hot to the cold object is known as conduction. Convection. Liquids and gases are the poor conductors of heat. In these, the heat travels by the process called convection. Sea breeze and land breeze. Here you can see the picture of sea breeze and land breeze. During daytime, the land gets heated faster than the water and the air above the land becomes hot and lighter. As a result, it rises up and cooler air from the sea flows towards the land to fill up the vacuum. This hot air up on losing its heat becomes heavy and moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. This is called sea breeze. During night, the water cools down much slower than the land, and therefore the air above the sea is now hotter and lighter than the air above the land. As a result, it rises up and cooler air from the land starts flowing towards the sea, and this is known as land breeze. Radiation. Other than the conduction and convection, there is another method through which heat can be transferred from a hot body to the cooler one. This is called radiation. Thermoflask. A thermoflask is a special type of vessel that keeps hot liquid hot and cold liquid cold. This is designed in a way to minimize the loss of or gain of heat by conduction, convection and radiation to keep the liquid hot or cold respectively. Answer the following questions. What is the difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer? Clinical thermometer. The thermometer we use for measuring our body temperature is known as a clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is like a clinical thermometer but has no constriction near a bulb. Define conduction. The process through which heat flows from the hot to the cold object is known as conduction. What are the three methods of transfer heat? Conduction, convection and radiation. What are insulators? Give an example. Objects which are not allow heat to pass through them. For example, wood. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter because it will not allow cold air to go inside the body. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all.